Hi all. Hi everyone. Very good morning. Today our topic is how to use functions and variables in Apache JMeter tool. Okay. Today this is our topic. You need to complete it quickly. Also this one very easy one. First of all, what are the functions? Okay. And what are the variables? How to use the functions and variables? First of all, what is functions? Right? Functions, the methods used to populate fields in any other elements of test plan. Okay, based on you need to use the methods, you can populate the fields in other element of test plan, or the other test plans also you are able to populate that one. Okay, that is called test plan. Okay, that is called functions, right? You can see the functions is method, the methods used to populate fields in any other elements of test plan. Okay, and the syntax is dollar, open the flower bracket, underscore underscore function name. That is one type of you can directly declare to the what are the functions you required, that function based you need to give. Second one, multiple variables also able to display. One is dollar, flower bracket, underscore underscore function name, variable 1 comma variable 2 comma variable 3 means etc, how many you require based on your requirement. Okay, after variables, variables contains that can store values which can be referred in any element within the thread. It means whenever you created any variable and you can call to the specific thread anywhere to, you can call that specific variable and you need to use. Example, in programmatically, in the programmers you need to develop any application, right? He will create some global files. Means most repeatedly you need to using any global files. The files globally you need to create somewhere or declare, and our program anywhere you able to use that method. That method means you will give that name only, you will directly call to the global method, the values or how you need to work will be designed, right? That one will be picked and you need to work. But every time you no need to declare, right? The same way only the variables also you need to work. Okay, you can see the contains that can be stored values which can be referred in any element within the thread. Okay, you can store the values one of the element and you can use the entire thread anywhere you can use that one. Okay, that is the main intention for variables. Okay, and today this video I will show you this functions. I am able to show you how we need to use. One is log, another time, thread num, mission name, mission IP. In some, this one I will show you, but there are so many functions it's available in JMeter will provided. Okay, this video I am not able to provide all the functions. Okay, you don't have time, right? That is an only few only I will show you, remaining I will cover to my next video. First of all, you can check to the how many functions available. Okay, the JMeter functions list. First one is the bean shell, change case, character, counter, CSV read, date time convert, digest, escape HTML, escape or regexp characters, except means escape XML, eval where, file to string, groovy, int sum, is prof defined, is where defined. Okay, JavaScript, JEXL2, JEXL3, this is also one of the scripting language. Okay, JMeter point of view. Log, login, logsum, mission IP, mission name, P, and property, random, random date, random from multiple values, random string, regexp function. After sample name, set property, split, string from file, string to file, test plan name, thread group name, thread num, time, time shift, unescape HTML, URL encode, URL decode, UUID v. Okay, last one is the XPath. Okay, around 49 functions it's available, JMeter will offered. Okay, now I will show you only few of them, only just six only I will show you. Okay, first one, how we need to use the logs, right? Yeah, you can open the JMeter. Just a minute, you need to open this one. Okay, this is our JMeter, right? First of all, how you need to go to the functions where it's available, right? You can go to the tools, you can able to see, right? This is the tools icon, just click on. There is a one option called function helper dialog. Okay, just you can click on that one. This is the function helper dialog, and these are the functions only. Now I am showing total 49 functions. Okay, okay, another way how we need to open this one, right? You can see there is an icon called function helper dialog. This one also you need to open this one, just you can click on that one, it's open. Okay, how we need to use, right? Just example point of view, just six functions I will show you how we need to do. First one, in test plan I will add the thread group. Under I will add any one element, which one example, okay, I will add the Java request, and I will add the listeners. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, this is called JMeter functions. Okay, I have shared. Okay, now first of all you can open to the open the file. Which one is first one is the log. How we need to work log, right? You can go to JMeter, open the function helper dialog. You can see, you can check to the where is available, it's log. Yeah, you can see log means it's a messages. Okay, you will showing the message in your output. Okay, you can see string to be, first one is the log is the function, string to be logged and returned. Return means in your output. And log level default information or out or error. Throwable text optional. This is not required. Only this is the main one. String to be logged. Only string only. Example I will mention to the request is success. Okay, I will given the specific request success or failure. Okay, request is success, I need to display this is the message. Okay, I will give the name, right? You can see the function syntax, generate and copy the clipboard. Just to click on, you can see it generated dollar, open the flower bracket, underscore underscore log, open request is success, comma comma, close and close the flower bracket. And the result of the function is request is success. This is the output you need to keep in your view results tree or anywhere wherever you require the, you can, which element you take in the listener, right? That output will be displayed. Okay, now I have already copied, right? Now you need to go to the this Java request. I will directly give into the example point of view, I will give directly name only. Example, in name I will give into the, this is the function dollar, open the flower bracket, underscore underscore log, open the request is success, this is the message I will given, comma comma, close the flower bracket. Now what you need to display to the output, right? You need to show to the request message only. Request is success, that is the message only will showing. This is everything for example only I will showing now. Whenever you require your application or your validation point of view, you need to require any specific messages, anything you need to display through log, that time you need to use these functions. Okay, now you need to run and you need to check. Yeah, everything it's one user only. Yeah, you can see the output will be displayed, right? Request is success. Okay, this is based on the output, where what type of request you are sending. But request message, you can see request is success. Okay, the type of log messages will be displayed. Okay, that is the first one. Now you need to recopy this one. Okay, this is disabled. Okay, the second one is time. Okay, most of the time you need to use this one, this function also. Okay, you can open the function helper dialog and you need to search the time. Okay, I will select the time. You can see format string from simple date format. You can see most of the time you listen this word, right? Time and date format, simple date format. Okay, actually I will give an date month year, right? Indian ist dd hyphen mm date month year, 4 letters, 4 digits. Okay, I will give in this format. Okay, now this is second one is the optional, no need to give. This is the first one only, most of the time you need to format. Okay, this one also optional only, but based on what type of format you require. Example, this is ist, uk time bst or est, based on the country wise the format will be changed, right? That reason you need to give the format. This is ist, date month year. Now you need to generate. Okay, you can close that one. Okay, first this is second request, right? You can see. Now I will copy it. Okay, dollar open underscore underscore time open ddmmy comma close and close the flower bracket. Okay, now we need to check how we need to display this one. Okay, yeah, today. Okay, the format for example point of view it will display, right? Okay, date, okay, this is from ist format only, the output will be displayed. Okay, now you need to check another one also. Now we need to open to the same function only. Okay, now you need to give the ddmm hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, this is date month year hour minute seconds. You need to generate the function and you need to copy. You can see the output is showing, right? Okay, the format only it's showing that one. You can see 11/29/2023. This is hour minute seconds based only, right? It will display the okay timing. Okay, first this is the date, this You can see the function only is showing, right? The function uses variables or running context. Results will not reflect reality. Okay, some little bit changes only. This is the date, this is the month, and this is the year. Okay, that format only need to generate the hour, minute, seconds also. Okay, now you need to run one more time this one, how we need to work. Okay, based on how many times you need to request, you need to hit it, right? That based at the time it will be changed, and date also will be changed, you can see. Okay, okay, this is the way you need to work to the mainly the time function. Okay, after next one, thread num. Okay, just you can copy this one. Okay, you can go to the okay, this is the function called thread num. Thread num means it's provided to the thread numbers only, means how many times you need to execute that one, the count only it's provided. Okay, your identification purpose. Now you need to see that one, how we need to work. Now you can see it's a zero, right? I will show you how we need to do that one. Same request only, I will give the thread num, right? But I will give the just below thread num, I will give a dollar open flower packet underscore underscore thread num. Okay, this is the thread num, the number will be displayed. Okay, now you can give the file request. Okay, now you need to save this one, remove, and just you can run them. You can see the request will be executed, right? Thread num 1 2 3 4 5. The count based you need to display to the function thread num function. Okay, after mission name and mission IP. Okay, whenever you run with the distributed load testing, right, the specific request, which mission to you need to hit it, anything something it's failed. Okay, that type of request analysis purpose, these functions will be very useful. You can see now you need to take the mission name. Okay, you can, this one also I need to copy. Okay, now go to the function helper dialog. This is mission name. Okay, you no need to give anything, otherwise something you need to add, right? You can see name of the variable in which is store the results. Anything you need to add, you can add them, otherwise it's not required. Then directly you can generate. Actually my the results is Mitapalli Gauri Shankar. Actually I will give the my mission name only, my name only I will give in. Okay, same output only you will get. Okay, just a minute. Okay, you need to run. Actually 5 threads I will given. You can see every request it's showing the system name only will showing. Same way whenever you run to the distributed load testing, you will give the this type of function, right? Mission name directly will show to the mission name. Mission name means it's the host name only will showing. You can easily identify it, the request where you need to come in. Okay, and another one also it's available, mission IP also. Same way how mission name will work, mission IP also. That one also I will show you mission IP. Okay, now we need to go to the function helper dialog. Mission IP. Okay, this is my mission IP. Now you need to generate this one. Okay, it's a mission IP. Now we need to see how we need to work. You can see this is the mission IP also, you able to generate it. Okay, after you can move to the, it's a int sum function. Okay, you need to do some additions based on any variable somewhere you need to store, and you need to use, right, that type of purpose you need to use this one. I will show you that one also, int sum function also. Okay, this is the function int sum. Okay, you can see first int to add. Int to add means something digits you need to give. I will give the, I will give 10. Second int add, further int can be summed by adding further. Okay, now means 10 10, both you need to addition 20 you need to keep. Okay, that is the way you need to, this int sum function will be work. You can generate them. The output is 20, right? I'm already copied this one. Just a minute. I'm not copied still. Now we need to copy to the int sum function. How we need to display to the output. Okay, this is the int sum function. Okay, now we need to save and we need to run. So only one only. Okay, you can see the output is showing total. You can see internally first integer 10, second integer 10, mean digits 10 10. The addition is showing, the output is 20. Okay, this is the one of the method. Otherwise you need to store somewhere and you need to call to this one, right? That is also another method. How we need to give in, right? After 10, after comma, you can give the, I will give the result. Okay, I will pass this variable, right? How we need to recall this one? Example, you need to, this one will be enabled. Okay, I will give the result and you can close the flower bracket. Okay, now you need to see how we need to work this one. You can see both they need to come 2020. First one, what is the output you need to came, right? Results. The results you need to store to the results, and the second request I will call to directly in results only. That time also you able to access this one, the output. You can see both values, request 2020 only, it's passed. Now you need to add this second request, something digit. I need to add something 2, I need to add. Okay, how you need to add, right? You can see how in some function will be derived. Okay, you can copy this one. Okay, okay, dollar open underscore underscore into sum, I will give the two digit. Okay, 2 comma. Okay, you can give the dollar open the flower bracket, you can give the result and close the flower bracket and close the normal bracket and close the flower bracket. Okay, this is where now we need to close, right? What will be happen, right? Now in some function, the 2 and you need to do the addition of what is the results will become 2 plus 20 22 you need to get, that is expecting. Now you need to see how we need to work. Yeah, you can see first one is the 20, second one is 22. Okay, Yeah, this is the way the addition in some function will be work. Okay, now guys, maybe you need to understand this one, how we need to work. This is everything examples only, right? Whenever you go to the you have knowledge about these functions, how we need to use. The same way, whenever your requirement based on you required your application validation point of view, anything this type of functions you need to, anywhere you need to use that one, you can easily need to use and you can complete your work. Okay, this is also one of the easy way you need to find out the example. You can use the mission IP and mission name, right? This is distributed validation time. There are so many requests will be hit to the server. You don't know right which request you need to came. You can easily need to find out this way. And every request also same only. Every request you need to use only, but whenever where you need to use, that is you need to identify. Okay. But first of all, how we need to use and how to this one will be work. You can understand and you need to practice one or two times. You also get good knowledge. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's all guys. This video I will show only 6 only, otherwise this video is fully length. Okay, remaining functions. Okay, my next another 2 3 videos I will cover this one. Total it's a very long way, total 49 available, I will complete it. Okay, and yeah, now we need to disable this one also. Okay, these total functions you can learn to the, you can go to the Google. Otherwise you will do one thing. You can go to the function helper dialog button, right? You can click on and you can see there is a help button, it's available right already. Okay, this help button it's open to the what are the functions it's available, all functions, how we need to use, everything will be clearly explained. Documentation means JMeter user manual. Just you can click on, right? Just a minute, it will open. You can see this is the functions. Okay, the first one, functions and variables. In JMeter, you can go to the JMeter user manual. This is the user manual, guys. You can, whenever you click on the user manual, the 20th section, it's available, functions and variables. These functions and variables, how you need to use. Okay, everything very clear in detail, it's provided this one. Okay, you can learn and you need to practice, right? You're able to work this one very easily. You can see now I'm explained, right? The format of time. Okay, the time function, that is based on your requirement, which format you required you can change. Example, dollar open underscore underscore time ddmmyy. Okay, you can see the will return the output, means the current date whenever the application will be executed, right? 21st January 2018. Okay, the format will be generated easily. Otherwise directly will give, right, this type of will return time in milliseconds. Okay, now you need to see one time. Okay, now I need to close everything. This is the function, right? You need to show the output is milliseconds. Oh, sorry, this is not enabled. Yeah, now you able to run. You can see this is the format. The time everything will be executed in milliseconds only. Okay, now we need to go dollar underscore ymd means year month date comma. Okay, will return 2000 year month date. Okay, you need to try this one also. Okay, ymd comma means year month date. How we need to reflect this one, you need to see. Just you can save and run it. Okay, you can see now the date is 23rd 11 first. Okay, but the date is displayed 2023 2023 first and 11 means year date month only displayed. Okay, this is the format will be displayed to the based on that function. Okay, now another one, right? ddmmyy. Okay, dd echo slash. Okay, now you need to see how we need to display the output. Okay, you can see. Okay, I will give the date month year, but guys you can see the result is displayed month year, sorry, month date year will be displayed. Okay, this is totally US format only will display, it's not displayed the IST format. Okay, I need to check this one how you need to change it to our IST. Okay, you can see month date year. Okay, now maybe you understand, right, how the date also will be displayed. Okay, but you need to display to the our current time zone means IST format. I will check and I will update the next video. And another one, I need to check one more time the time function. I will take the time dd m hh. Okay, now I need to generate 11/48/2023. Okay, you can see if function use variables are running context, results will not reflect reality. Okay, it's not showing properly, guys. Maybe you need to see this function. Okay, okay, otherwise you can use this is the format only, your right format. You can see dollar open underscore underscore time dd mmyy. Okay, now we will show the maybe it's a minimum US format only will showing month date year. Okay, month date year it's showing right time. You can see my date 2023 January 11. This is the date, same correct date only will showing, but format different, but date it's correct. But whenever you need to use the this function, right? Okay, you can see dd mmyy. Otherwise I will do one thing, maybe say capital letter. Okay, I need to try to run one time. Yeah, this is the correct, guys. Actually I am only doing wrong. You can see dollar open the flower brackets underscore underscore time open dd, it's a small letters mm capital letter, y it's a small letter. Okay, hs hours capital, mm capital, ss you can use normal small letters. Okay, this is also right format only. You can see the output you need to came same us format. November, sorry, okay, now it's a displayed correct date, both are, you can see 11 January 2023. Okay, 11 January 2023, and now time is 11 11:42. Okay, that is the time also displayed. This is the way time function also need to work. Okay, everything is exactly. Now date is 11 1st 2023, right? Same 11 1st 2023, same 11 1st 2023, and time also it's exactly our minutes seconds also will showing right. Okay, you can use any function. Okay, either this one, this is not able to understand exactly how we need to work. Means it's a milliseconds, right? You're not able to understand, you can use this is the format or this format, otherwise I will show you, right? I am already, you can use date month year hour minute seconds format also you need to use, and you can find out the specific request, right? What is the date and what time will be executed, you can take the output also. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. Just one time you can practice it, that time you also understand how the functions and variables you need to use. Okay, in your project point of view. Okay, that is based on requirement. Okay, but you need to get a knowledge, right? JMeter, that is also useful. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, and today our topic also it's completed. Okay, these remaining functions, right? I will take my next videos, I will provide it. I will today cover only 6 only, remaining I will provide it. Okay, now you understand, right, how to use functions and variables in Apache JMeter tool, minimum knowledge only. Okay, yeah, remaining as soon as possible I will update the videos. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the my next video. Thanks everyone, bye.